This is Daddy from Busy Daddy Cooks. Today we are making an extremely easy and versatile sauce. This is teriyaki sauce. We will start with 70 grams of sugar. This will give the sauce an average level of sweetness. Feel free to use more or less sugar depending on your preference. To this, add 200 ml of mirin. And 200 ml of sake. Use normal cooking sake here. You do not need to use the expensive drinking sake. Next, add 200 ml of light soy sauce. Try using a better quality soy sauce. So, what's a better quality soy sauce? Firstly, you want it to be naturally brewed. Secondly, look for a very short list of ingredients. This brand here has water, soya beans, wheat, and salt. That's 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ingredients on the list. Compare this with this other label that has coloring, flavor enhancers, and a list of 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, at least 10 ingredients. Some brands have even more preservatives than King Tut. Stir the sauce to dissolve the sugar. You may heat up the sauce a little to help dissolve the sugar faster. The sugar is dissolved when there are no sugar crystals left on the spoon. That's it, that's all you have to do. Bottle it and keep it in the fridge for up to 2 to 3 months. This is an extremely easy and versatile sauce that I refer to in many of my recipes. This is teriyaki sauce.